Hi guys, dude here. Well, you probably never heard of me, but still, I'm here. I'm new to this reacting stuff, so it might not be so good, but okay. But let's get started. We are watching Annoying Orange. I can't pronounce the title, but I think it's something to do with a parrot. I haven't seen it before. Well, this episode before. So I guess we should just get started, huh? Well, let's go.
Garret! 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 Hey,
Yeah,
Garret!
he would play with
What do you
would
want?
he?
I'm right here!
Hey, Garret!
That was
His name is
difficult.
Garret!
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Hey, Garret! Looks like
No,
Garret
you
can
gotta
hardly
kid
bear
me.
it!
Ugh.
Here.
Share it, tear it, wear it, wear it, scare it, bear it, one to bear it. Share it,
Oh,
tear
he's
it, wear
rapping?
it, wear it, scare it, bear it, the bear
Oh, that's
Okay, we
impressive.
get it. You learned how to rhyme.
Garret's right, Garret. We should rhyme some other time. Rhyme some
That was a good one.
Ugh.
Hey, Garret, stop copying me! Stop copying me! No! Stop copying me! Stop copying me!
What is happening right now?
I don't know.
Rock! Hey, Garret! Hey, Garret, hey!
What?
Have you ever considered getting a ferret?
I wonder how this carrot's
You
gonna
could
die.
name it Garret.
Is the carrot gonna
Jared
eat
the
him?
ferret.
Oh,
Ugh.
Jared
They
the
always
ferret.
die.
Rock!
Dude, really?
Bucket, rocket, socket, docket, lock it, walk it.
So,
Polly,
back to rapping,
pocket,
huh?
rocket, socket, docket, lock it, walk it. Polly want a cracker.
What? He didn't repeat what you said, Polly Pocket, but he said...
Polly want a cracker. Rock!
Exactly.
Polly want a cracker. Rock!
That
See?
got me off
Your
guard.
parrot's broken or something.
Garret's not broken. He's just outspoken.
Hey guys, what's cracking?
Polly want a cracker. Rock!
Oh, I should
Oh.
not have come here.
Oh, yes, you should have. Oh, poor guy.
Congratulations, Orange. You happy with yourself now?
How now, brown cow?
Stop rhyming.
Stop climbing.
I'm not climbing. No one's climbing.
I don't see why they're annoyed, but it's kind of
This is
funny.
honestly the dumbest conversation in the history of history
Oh, I've
itself.
heard dumber.
Garret.
What?
Ferret.
Huh?
Whoa! Poor Carrot! There's
They
no one
can't-
left to inherit your ferret!
Wow.
Hi, yeah. Can I get the number for animal control, please?
Hey, everyone!
A typical
Hit that
pair.
like button and make sure to leave me a comment about walruses. And also, if you haven't seen it, I have a brand new Target game at Toys R Us. It's right on target!
Okay, that's enough out of you. Well, that was my first reaction. It was pretty good, actually. Especially at the end. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm Gear Dude. Stay geary, people.